Ikaw ang gusto.
Ito na paper, hindi makita.
Paper plate hawak.
Okay, stand by!
I want you to know that the reason I'm here is because of you.
Gusto niyo po ba ng daming boss?
Ikaw ang gusto ko. I want to create new memories with you. Hindi ka want to know. And I promise you, in 2 days, tayo na.
Cut! Kick back!
First lang. Tayo na.
Okay, clear! Lapit ni Pao. Okay, ready? Sound? Maganda daw yung tingin ko kanina, Kim. Yung natural tingin nila may pagpamahal. Rain, rolling, 5, 42.
Di ko alam paano sisimulan. Pwede bang saglit lang?
Action! Okay, next action. Cut ng Ray. 1,